Are you looking for the best pancake batter dispensers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pancake batter dispensers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. OXO Precision Batter Dispenser. This pancake batter dispenser prepares 4 cups of batter at once. The specialty appliance also comes along with a rapid-release squeeze handle. Moreover, the lid works as a drip tray throughout the squeezing process. The wide opening mouth reduces the risks of spilling while refilling mixtures. You can use this tool for preparing the batter for crepes and more. The detachable valve also makes cleaning easier for homemakers. Furthermore, the shut-off function of this valve instantly cuts the supply of batter. Hence, you can keep your countertop free of messes. The measuring labels help you to refill the container. All parts of this appliance are of BPA-free plastic. At number 4. KJZKE's Professional Pancake Batter Dispenser. The wide mouth lets you pour the batter with ease. The stainless steel cup-like pancake batter dispenser also comes with a quick close valve. Hence, you can immediately stop the dispenser from dispensing batter. Moreover, the handy operation makes this dispenser suitable for senior people or children. Nevertheless, the spring-loaded handle controls the dispensing process with ease. The improved design of the valve also makes dispensing drip-free. Furthermore, you can have complete control over the portion control. The metal construction makes this appliance safe to use in your kitchen. However, the metal parts never usually break or crack. At number 3. Chicago Metallic Batter Dispenser. The container has the construction of high-quality plastic material. You can also use your dishwasher to keep this appliance clean. Moreover, you can use this multi-purpose tool for mixing and dispensing batters. This pancake batter dispenser comes along with a quick-release design. Hence, this tool makes refilling easier for homemakers. The flexible valve lets you prepare batters for cupcakes, loaf, and more. Furthermore, the appliance includes an instant automatic shut-off function. The transparent container can hold up to 4 cups of batters. Nevertheless, the drip-free valve helps you to keep your countertop mess-free. You can control the batter portions with ease. At number 2. Jayjoy Pancake Batter Dispenser. This pancake batter dispenser has the construction of durable steel material. The stainless steel construction is also food-grade and toxin-free. Moreover, this pancake batter dispenser comes with a portion-controlled design. The wide mouth opening helps you to pour the mixtures with no hassle. However, the added lid keeps the batter fresh for hours. You can also keep your leftover batter for further use. Furthermore, this baking tool comes with a perfect valve. Hence, you can dispense mixtures of muffins, cookies, and more. Nevertheless, by squeezing the handle, you can drip the batter with ease. The silicone hole reduces the risks of clogging. At number 1. Chef Buddy Batter Dispenser. The complication-free design makes this pancake batter dispenser quite functional. This specialty appliance also holds 900 milliliters of batter. Moreover, the portion-controlled spring-loaded mechanism makes the handle easily operable. The spring-loaded trigger increases the functionality of this dispenser. However, the drip-free nozzle dispenses the right amount of mixture every time. The wide mouth opening also helps you to refill the mixture accordingly. Furthermore, the snap-on lid keeps the batter secured inside the container. Nevertheless, this specialty appliance holds batters for cupcakes, muffins, pancakes, and more. This baking tool offers hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. The plastic container has the construction of toxin-free plastic material. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.